Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Thursday, 10th of April, 2025. And, ay, nawala si buwan. Lumubog kagabi. Kagabi may buwan eh. So ngayon, madaling araw, wala na. Natunaw na siya. And then, our weather for today is 5. And the highest later on is 17. So, ayun, back to cold again ang UK, everyone. Ay, kaya back tayo sa dating gawi. Ayan. Pang winter ang suot. Dahil back to winter again. Ayan si Haring Araw. Nagbabadya ng sumikat. So, ayun lang everyone. At let's move on to the 15 minutes walk. And one bus everyone. So, ayun. At later again after ng work. At by at the moment, may taong naglalakad. See you when I see you, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. Unti lang kami ngayon, no? 4 lang kasi may mga sakit.
Para sa Monday, hindi na yung mahirap release.
Unti lang ninyo sa
Oo.
Kamat?
This station is Westminster. Change here for Circle and District Line. Exit here for Westminster Abbey and Houses of Parliament.
Thank God.
This train terminates at Stanton.
See you later, everyone. Yan, everyone. 9. Going home. 9:50. Oh, diba? Under construction ang bahay. Kaya, that's it, everyone. So, ayun, everyone. Time check. Nagbablog ako. Wag ka maingay. 3:15 na, everyone. Kainitan ng araw. Grabe, diba? Pero, winter pa rin yung suohin. Mamaya, pag uwi ko ay gabi na. Ay lamig pa rin. So, ayan lang, everyone. See you after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Bye. See you later, everyone. Sakay tayo na train. going to okay. Time check. 10 to 4. So, andito na ako. Everyone. So, job site. Yun, everyone. Ang ganda ng puno. Yeah. Parang yung inaano lang sa water. Oh, yan yung mga puno na dati skeleton. So ngayon, everyone, unti-unti na silang nagkakadahon. Yeah. And then sa summer, marami na ulit silang dahon. Yan, ganyan lang dito ang buhay. So, pag summer, maraming bulaklak, maraming dahon ang puno. Yeah. So, ayan everyone. Magulat sila, nakasealed na. Parang ano yata yung babakbakin yata yung bubong. Ayan. Diba? Picturean ko nga. At baka magulat yung aking mga birds. Yeah, may buwan na ulit. Light siya. Kasi maliwanag pa. Ayan na. Ayan. Oh, diba? That's it. And that's it, everyone.